Hello video creators, welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. Today we're going to learn how to animate text along a path. It's pretty simple. We're going to jump into the Fusion tab, but don't get scared.
I was scared out of my mind.
There's only going to be 2 nodes. So we're going to right click in our media pool, new Fusion composition, create. We're going to drag that to our timeline. We're going to click on Fusion. We have a media out node. We're only going to add a text node. Connect the two. Over here in the text box, you can type whatever you want. You can change the font, you can change the color, you can do whatever you want. I'm just going to leave everything as it is. What we do now is we click on the layout. We change point to path. We click over here. We click here, don't let go, and then drag to make a curve. However you want your path to be. Something like that. Now we're going to click here. And if it does that, just hit Control Z. And then grab this last point here, drag this so it's mostly out of the box. Do the same thing with this point, drag it down out of the thing. So now you can see on this position on path, our text is going to follow along the path you create. You can create craziest paths you want. They can twist and turn like a roller coaster. So then what we're going to do is we're going to right click on position path. We're going to modify width, anim curves. Then over here on the modifiers tab, we're going to make sure that our playhead is at the beginning. The offset will be the starting point for your text. If you want to start somewhere on the path is fine. I'm going to start just out of sight. The scale will change the speed of the animation. So if we play it back, that's what we have right there. So we can go over into our edit tab. I'll add a black box here so we can see it a little better. That's what we have. Pretty simple technique. That's all I got for you guys today. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.